Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Chevrolet Tailgate Letters is probably one of the most impactful yet subtle upgrades you can make to your truck, instantly transforming its appearance and adding a personalized touch that speaks volumes about your pride in ownership. These aren't just stickers, they're a statement, a way to make your Chevy stand out in a crowded parking lot or on the open road, reflecting your unique style and attention to detail. Choosing the right set can elevate your truck's aesthetic from ordinary to extraordinary, making it a true reflection of your personality and passion for your vehicle. Number 5. Chevy Silverado 2019 to 2025 Tailgate Insert Letters. Give your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado a bold new look with these custom tailgate insert letters. They are designed for a perfect fit, enhancing your truck's appearance. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, these emblems offer excellent resistance to abrasion and weather. They are built to withstand the elements and maintain their appearance over time. Featuring strong, premium adhesive on the back, these letters will stay firmly in place. They are designed to hold up through rain and car washes, ensuring a long-lasting application. Installing these tailgate inserts is a breeze, taking just a few minutes. Simply clean the surface, peel, stick, and press firmly for a secure bond. The sleek matte black finish adds a touch of rugged sophistication to your Silverado. It complements the truck's design without being overly flashy. We stand behind our product with unlimited technical support and customer service. Purchase with confidence knowing you're covered if any issues arise. What we like. This option offers a perfect fit for your 2019 to 2025 Silverado tailgate. Its premium ABS plastic construction ensures durability and weather resistance. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting upgrade that can withstand the elements, this is the choice for you. What people say. The letters are a perfect fit for the tailgate. They look great and give the truck a custom look. Installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 4. Silverado 3D Raised Tailgate Letters, Matte Black. Elevate your truck's appearance with these 3D raised tailgate letters. Designed for a perfect fit, they add a premium depth to your vehicle's rear. Our letters are equipped with high-quality adhesive tape on the back. This ensures they stay securely in place, resisting rain and car washes to keep your truck looking great. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean the tailgate area and apply the letters. The entire process takes about 5 minutes, making it a quick and easy upgrade. Ensure proper alignment before pressing down firmly for a secure fit. These inserts are designed to perfectly complement your tailgate lettering. The matte black finish is specially designed to match your truck's existing grille and bumper colors. This creates a cohesive and attractive look for your vehicle. Enjoy premium quality craftsmanship with these tailgate letters. They are built to last and come with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Featuring 3D raised letters with a quality ABS build, this set provides a distinct look. The matte black finish complements your truck's existing accents. If you want to enhance your truck's rear with a stylish and well-defined emblem that stands out, consider this option. What people say. The fit is perfect, the adhesive is strong, and the letters give the tailgate a clean, bold, customized look. Installation was simple and only took a few minutes. They're durable, weather-resistant, and haven't faded or peeled at all. These letters are great to make the Chevrolet logo in the back tailgate really stand out. They're easy to apply and durable. It says this does not fit a 2026 Chevy Silverado, however I knew that it would fit because Chevrolet has not changed their design. I went ahead and purchased it and it fits perfect. Number 3. 3D Raised Tailgate Letters for Silverado 2019 to 2022. Introducing our 3D Raised Tailgate Letters, designed to make your 2019 to 2022 Silverado truly stand out. Give your truck a more attractive and personalized look. Installation is a breeze, taking just minutes to transform your truck's appearance. These letters are designed to fit perfectly into the tailgate's cavities for a seamless look. Experience a cool 3D effect with these raised badges, crafted from quality ABS. They are built to fit precisely and stay in place persistently. Equipped with high-quality 3M adhesive, these letters are built to last. They can withstand long-term exposure to sunlight, rain, and car washes without fading. Worried about removal? Our tailgate letters can be removed without damaging your truck's paint. Simply use a heat gun and fishing line for a clean removal process. These stylish inserts come in a gloss black finish with a striking red outline, adding a bold accent to your Silverado's tailgate. What we like. This option boasts a striking gloss black finish with a red outline, creating a bold 3D raised effect. The high-quality 3M adhesive ensures a secure fit that won't damage your paint. If you desire a customized and eye-catching appearance for your Silverado and want an emblem that's easy to remove without residue, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Fits well and looks nice. Good colors. Has stayed well through frequent washes. Adhesive quality is good. Looks like the dealer installed it for pennies on the dollar. 3 months and weekly car washes, still looks new. Subtle and stylish way to make your tailgate stand out. Easy to put on and looks great. What quality, adhesion, and fit. Number 2. Putco Chevrolet Silverado Tailgate Letters Kit. Give your Chevrolet Silverado a custom, high-end appearance. These tailgate letters are designed to perfectly complement your truck's existing style. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these emblems offer a durable and brilliant finish. Choose between a stunning mirror polish or a sleek black mirror option. Installation is a breeze thanks to the pre-applied, waterproof 3M tape. They fit precisely into the factory tailgate channels for a seamless look. Rest assured, these tailgate lettering kits are officially licensed by GM and Chevrolet. You're getting a product that meets official standards. Manufactured in the USA, these emblems are built with the highest quality materials. They also come with Putco's limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Designed specifically for the new body-style Chevy Silverado models from 2019 to 2026. They integrate flawlessly with your tailgate. What we like. Constructed from premium 304 stainless steel, this kit offers a durable and officially licensed upgrade. It features a beautiful mirror finish that adds a touch of class. If you prioritize genuine GM parts, a premium material, and a sleek, reflective look for your truck, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The adhesive is strong and has held up well through car washes and daily use. The letters are made of a durable material that doesn't seem like it will fade or chip easily. Installation was straightforward, and the letters fit perfectly into the tailgate indentations. Number 1. Chevy Silverado Tailgate Emblem Overlays. Give your Silverado a custom, premium look with these tailgate emblem overlays. They are designed to perfectly fit your truck's rear. Experience a distinctive 3D raised effect that adds depth and style to your tailgate. It's a subtle yet impactful upgrade. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, these overlays are built to last. They are designed to withstand the elements and maintain their appearance. Installation is a breeze thanks to the strong adhesive backing. They securely attach to your tailgate, ensuring they stay in place. Specifically designed for the 2019 to 2025 Silverado 1500 and 2500 HD models. These insert letters provide a factory-like fit. The sleek black finish complements any Silverado color. It offers a sophisticated and aggressive look for your truck. What we like. This product provides a 3D raised effect using durable ABS plastic and strong adhesive. It's designed to give your tailgate a custom look that stands out. If you're seeking an affordable way to add a noticeable, texture detail to your Silverado's rear, this option is worth considering. What people say. Letters are high quality and very strong adhesive tape. Love the look it gave the truck. Easy to apply and really make the tailgate look better. Very easy to install and affordable. Love the black against the white, very sharp. Definitely a great present. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.